All right, so what I got here is I got my 6x9s, my per Pertor, per Pertors, Pertors, and I'm just installing into my DJ LED, DJ LED. I'm gonna put these behind the chair. Just a quick little video showing what I had to make sure that I had a grill because it's going behind the seat. So this one gonna go behind the passenger seat. This one gonna go behind the driver's seat. So now the way that I'm doing it is a little unconstitutional to the way that a lot of people do it. But I've been doing it for a while, so I know this right here gonna be alright. I'm just gonna hook in my original cables. A little small one. I'd be scared by the little small one. Alright, so there go my small one. My big one is my negative, but they already color coded. They already color coded, so that's even better. I should have just tied the bike in, but it'd be alright. It'd be alright. So now this side here got positive, negative. So once I feed my wire to it, I'm gonna run another one, piggyback, and this gonna go right here to this door right here. And then I got two more. One gonna run back there and one gonna run over there. So I'm gonna have to run a wire going all the way across and drop down into there. I've been trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it, but about the best way I'm gonna do it. So let me take my wire here, split it. Shit, I use my teeth, but I got enough wire. Move this out the way. I ain't ran no wire yet. And just for shit's sakes, I might just run it tonight because it really don't take long. All right. So this one gonna be my positive on the right side. So on the twist, only thing about these glasses is my eyes be looking down, but the glasses still be looking up. So I got to really tuck my chin, really tuck my chin, and basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna feed it through the hole. I'm gonna feed it through the hole right now. I'm gonna feed it all the way through, and then I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna wrap it around the terminal. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but when I finish it, I'll show you. Show you what I'm doing. All right, that's around that terminal. Then when I get to wear my glasses, I get to feel like an old man. Yeah, one that need glasses to read the newspaper. Yeah, because I don't look straight at it. All right, there go the second one. So I'm gonna take this wire here, and I need to take this out, and I need to try to put it back on the panel. Oh, the panel broke, so I can't put it back on the panel. So it'll be alright. So I'm gonna reach up under here. I'm gonna feed it on through. I hope I can feel it. If I can feel it. And my front two speakers popping. There you go, right there. So I'm gonna take that, put it, get me enough wire, and I'm just gonna run it up under the dashboard. So I'm gonna run it up under, but I'm gonna run it back a little bit. Let's see. I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna run it right down behind here. Cause like bathroom. Got to know. Alright. So I'm gonna run it across here. I'm gonna need some more speaker wire too. So in that case, I'm gonna feed some more speaker wire. Cause I need enough. I don't wanna have a little bit. I need to have more than enough. And I'm gonna fit it. Let me see. I'm gonna run it behind this cord, this coax cord right here. All the way behind it. All the way behind. Alright. Now I can drop it down behind this hood release. Ooh wee. Yeah, I gotta use the bathroom bad. I'm gonna need some more wire. Let me take a break. I gotta use the bathroom. So let's see. I need a little bit more speaker wire. So I say it's good to have more than enough. Cause you don't want your speaker wire to get all tangled up. So they're gonna be more than enough right now. So it looks like right now. I'm gonna feed it all the way to the back. That's a little dark, but I'm gonna feed it all the way up under there. Take it real good. Let's see. I could take that off if I wanted to, but I don't want to. So I'm gonna go like that. Feed it right now. Take it up under there real good. Take it up under there real good, like you know what I'm saying? Take it on back there. Real good, like okay, there go the bike in. And then around the bike in. Now I got way more than enough speaker wire. So now all I got to do is let my positive, let my ground. Alright, pull my seat up. Let my seat up. About as far as it's gonna go. But it's alright. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take this here. I really need to just twist it. Twist it. And then I'm gonna curve it. So more of the wire go inside and just be hanging out. Twist it, curve it. Alright. Now that going to the positive. And that going to the negative. Boom. That's ready. Now, you see I got enough speaker wire down there. So I'm just gonna tuck it back behind the speaker. I got a cage in here, so again I'm gonna pull it on back over here. Now that I gonna sit back down. Let my seat backs on. Let my seat backs on. Shit, ain't that good, yeah. Nah, why is he? Nah, need to get my scissors. And I just locked the door. So I'm gonna grab my scissors. I'm gonna clip it. I'm gonna like that. Clip it. Then I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. So, tell you what, keep the couple steady. Keep the couple steady. I'm probably gonna cut the video cause I'm probably need to charge my glasses. Light up here. And it's hot. Alright, so now got enough wire. You can get a little bit more than enough right now. Just in case I put an amp in here. Run to my speakers. Alright, that's for that one. Split that one. Grind. I'm gonna get a little bit more wire on that one so I can get a good connection. Alright. Now, I don't know which one is really which, but it ain't gonna make a difference really for me. Cause I'm gonna keep it center balance anyway. So now this gonna be the hard part right here. But it ain't really hard. It just trying to make sure I get everything the way it need to be. Okay, I'm gonna take the purple wire. Purple should have a grind. Where that grind? There it go right there. Alright, so now instead of me biting that one, I'm gonna cut it about halfway. So that's gonna be doom doom. And I'm gonna splice it right there. I'm gonna use the tip because I don't wanna overcut it. Alright, really just wanna take the plastic off. The plastic off. And let's see. Boom. Right. Boom. Right. See, I got a little cut right there. I can just do it like that. Now I'll do the same thing for the other side. These two here. Alright. So, and I'm gonna have to take these up too. A lot of shit. See, that's why I ain't wanna do a lot of the damn scissors. I been done did that there. Come back a little bit. Try to scale it off. Go. And this right here, I do it old school way. You know what I'm saying? When you ain't got a whole bunch of money to get all the expensive tools and stuff. I should do it the old school way. Alright, that, and then they'll go that. So my speakers is popping. Not because I done pulled it out, but that's okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna start with my grind. My grind is right there. So I got that tape right there. So I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna tie them together. Tie them together like that. I'm gonna take my other grind. Which one is my other grind? That's positive. That's the grind. That grind. Yeah, got a black card on. So I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna take that and twist them together. Easy, simple. I don't know what the grind. I don't know what kind of grind I got going on. Okay, okay. What is this? Oh, that's my mobile. Get out the way. All right. So now a lot of people gonna say you ain't supposed to do it like that. Shit, if they play, man, Rick, guess what? I'm gonna do it like that. So now I'm gonna take a piece right here, piece of tape. I'm just gonna cover it because I don't want it to touch nothing, basically. So it's gonna be a little tight little play right there. Now, boom, and then I gotta wrap it around again. Like I say, it's gonna be a little tight right there. Yeah, the only reason it's popping because the radio is out and it ain't registering it right. All right, so tie that around that. Cause see, once I got it in, that really it. You know, it gonna fold a little bit, but as long as you keep it as good as you can get it, you're gonna be alright. It's the old school way of doing it again. Now people gonna say, man, I wanna do it like that. Yeah, y'all got the money. Alright, so tie that. Alright, I'm about to get the phone now. I'm gonna have to rig this up some kind of way. Make it see, so y'all can see it. Good. That's some good right there. That might not work. Yeah, it might do work. Alright, so back over here to the positive side. And if you can, take that wire from around so everything, it ain't crossing over. Alright, so that's that. So now I'm gonna tie it in like that. Tie it in like that. Take the positive, put this in, tie it like that. Okay. Now, good on that end. So, I think my HDMI cord came out, so I'm going to put it back in. Got to have that HDMI cord. Alright. Want me some tape. Do it like that. And then what I'm going to do once I run that tape through here, I'll cover that positive. When I cover that positive all the way, I'm just going to wrap it around the whole thing. That's what I mean by it being tight. But then again, it's the old school way. Make a mess. Make a mess. Alright. So we get it right down. Tie it in like that. And now that right there is covered. Flip this around. I'm gonna take the rest of this tape. I'm gonna go around the whole thing. Just like that. Now, I'm gonna take another piece. I'm gonna go around the whole thing just to make sure it's tight and together. Alright, so I'm gonna start at the bottom. Wrap the bottom. I'm gonna work my way to the top. I'm gonna pull it tight. Boom. There we go. Now, that's one wire. Now I gotta do the other wire. So drop the damn thing. So I ain't gonna record the other one. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it, and then come back and show you. All right. Now I got everything hooked up. I'm gonna kind of feed everything back in there. Push it off back. Put back in my receiver. There we go. Gotta go. Something out. Nope. Just ain't in. Hold on. There we go. Put back on my screen. Like boom. And now I'm gonna kid. See what we got. Alright, everything come on. And the music. I think that's my USB though.
I love Phil, and this is such a sensitive subject. I love to show off in public and have these other niggas wishing they could touch it. Money weed, pussy money weed. Yes, I love a lot. Pussy money weed, pussy money weed. Yes, I love a lot. Pussy money weed. I was 13 when we first got introduced and I first met her, and I just always really knew we'd always be together. I just love the way she makes me feel, the way she makes me chill, the way she looks when she interests, she got that sex appeal. Every time I put my lips on her, something comes over me, she gets a hold of me, I just wanna keep her close to me. It's your aroma, baby, you just control the way that I'm thinking. I wanna hit you over and over, yeah. Every time I'm with you, I just can't complain, because you seem to be the only one that keeps me sane. For real, don't need to worry, cause the micros ain't got nothing on ya. And I know my homies in the hood wanna rub up on ya, but they can't cause you mine. You just laugh while they trying. All I need is you in between them sheets, just to pass the time. I know you haters envy me, you wanna know her name. Sometimes I call her Maria, sometimes it's Mary Jane. Mary Jane, Mary Jane. Pussy money weed, pussy money weed. Yes, I love a lot. Pussy money weed, pussy money weed, pussy money weed. Yes, I love a lot. Pussy money weed, pussy money weed, pussy money weed. Yes, I love a lot. Pussy money weed, pussy money weed, pussy money weed.
All right, and that's it. Now I'm gonna have to run the tweeters and run my bike speakers. I'm gonna run that on another day, and we'll just add all the videos in together. Other than that, for right now, peace. All right, y'all. So I'm back. I'm back. And this time it's daylight. So it is the next day, and I got two sets of tweeters here that I'm going to install. So the way that I'm going to install them is so. So there's two ways I can do this. Y'all. So I wasn't recording none of this. So anyway, I already got the wires ran. I got the wires ran from here, drop down through here, and I got it pulled behind here, and I'm gonna tuck it back there. But I had to screw I had to screw the speaker right there so I could hide the wire. I had some tape on it. I mean, not tape, but I had some what it came with some adhesive tape, but I ain't like that adhesive tape. I didn't want to be riding, then it just fall down, it'd be just dangling. I don't like that. So I said I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna just put a screw in there and be done with it. Cause I mean, unless I think about selling the van, I ain't worried about it. And all of it is custom, so I know basically what's going on. So I'm not gonna really do too much taping on this here because what I'm gonna end up doing is with this wire, I'm going to continue it on. You know what I'm saying? And when I say continue on, I mean I'm gonna run two more tweeters back to the back in the cargo area. So this is just really gonna start my tweeters. Then I'm gonna take a carry on of this wire and I'm gonna run it straight back. So that way I have two in the middle and two in the back. That way I have tweeter mania. Alright, so this here, so that here. And I already got something that's running through there, so that's why it's looking like that. But I don't think nobody really gonna pay much attention to that. Alright. So now I gotta go on the other side. I mean, might as well run the other side while I'm over there, right? Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's run the other side while we over there. Alright, so I'm gonna need a screw, need a back, and that adhesive because I still did use the adhesive. That's about the only two things I'm gonna need. Need a drill. That's really it. I'm gonna tape up there so I can see it. I'm gonna get one of these Black Miles in a minute. Yeah. All right. Now, so I got enough wire right here that's going out that way that I'm gonna cut it right here. That way I Alright, so either way, let's put the tape here. This is a little bit more smoother too. Not like how it was last night. Last night was, oh my God, it was rough. It was rough last night. And like I said, it don't really take long to put tweeters in. It don't really take long to do much on the van because everything is basically right there. All right, I'm gonna pull this part out. So tuck it, push it back. Nah, the wires are here. Nah, take this part. I'm gonna cut it. Not right here. That'll give me some slack. What I should have did last night that I didn't do because it was so dark and I was so tired and hot and just ready to go is that I'm gonna tie off the two speakers. Like I'm not gonna touch the I'm not gonna touch the I'm not gonna touch the way I connected the other ones. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take these two here and I'm gonna take them off. That way that's gonna signify my rear speakers. What's up now? That's gonna signify my rears. There go my rears. Go. So my glasses died. I got them over there charging up. So this what I'm doing is just connecting the wires together. I'm gonna splice them in together, tape them up, and then I'm gonna cut the white wires. I'm gonna cut the white wires and do the same thing with the right speakers to the white wires. I don't know if it's gonna be right, but I mean, at least I know the positive and negative are gonna be right. And you know, whether they're gonna be on the left side or the right side, that I don't know, that I don't care, that I'm not worried about. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll get back with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so it looked like a hot mess, which it's supposed to because it's wires, but I think that was a big mosquito just bit me on my neck. But like I said, I tied off the right and the left fronts, and I tied off the right and the left backs. The right and the left, the right's on the, was that the green wire? Yep, the right's on the green wire, left's on the that wire. Something just bit me on my neck. And I didn't get my black and mild like I wanted to. But those are my two fronts right there. So I'm about to throw the whole unit in there. See what it sounds like. So this is gonna be the tail of the tape. See what she got. Let's smoke my black while we load up. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Alright, it sounds good, y'all. Now the only thing I got to do now is just put everything up and equalize it. Just make sure everything equalized and make sure I ain't putting too much on my highs, so that way my highs just kind of actually accent, and then I can kind of actually put some lows in to make my 6x9 sound off. But so far, so good. So tomorrow we'll run the other ones tomorrow and call it a day. But other than that, that's it. All right.